Harsh landscapes and environmental volatility, coupled with an unstable workforce and a lack of insight into the benefits of a digitized plant, are barring mining plants from what lies beyond the fourth industrial revolution. Overcoming these challenges is vital in not only future-proofing mining plants, but propping up existing legacy systems. The productivity of mining plants is being called into question by industry giants, looking for a solution to achieve not only upward scalability, but efficiency and insights that will lock in future relevance. Adoption of technology is the key to unlocking game-changing advantages in any mining plant, but not just any technology. IoT.nxt. Creating a safe environment for your workforce is the key to unlocking next-level efficiency and productivity in the mining sector. With predictive maintenance, a comprehensive, single overview of your plant, and overlaying legacy systems with smart IoT devices, working conditions are monitored, even in the most rugged of landscapes. People are at the heart of implementing an interoperable IoT solution. Protecting each and every worker from potential incidents is achieved through real-time monitoring and comprehensive reporting of every single corner of your ecosystem. Investment in technology and innovation sounds expensive, but it's cheaper than you think. Our smart mining solution can overlay any legacy system. We don't rip and replace. We deploy an agile solution that monitors energy and CO2 emissions, worker safety, possible anomalies, and water wastage in real time. In other words, you will have eyes on every single corner of your plant, and the platform to perform productive analysis that drives evidence-based strategy and implementation. Any mining plant has the potential to become an industry example and a pivotal driver of economic growth and stability. All that's needed is a smart IoT.nxt solution. IoT.nxt is ready to bring the future to you. Automation, alternative fuel, and power. Connectivity. A safe mine. Are you ready? Any industry, no matter how rugged, it's still your business, only better.